Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I'll show you how to edit photos with Google Photos on the ZTE Blade A36. First open Google Photos, skip the setup, and click on the photo you want to edit, and then press edit. So here are all the options you can do with photos. You can crop photos, you can blur or unblur, you can adjust brightness, contrast, those other things, shadows, saturation, you can apply filters, you can add text or highlight text, you can place stickers. That's about it. Let's edit our photo a little. So now I'm done. It doesn't look really good, but it's something. When you're done, press save copy. And now you've edited the photo. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.